Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is the first topic of my channel. So I will start with the Ohm's law. This is the base of the electrical engineering, or we can say electronics engineering. So let's start with the Ohm's law. What it states? It states the relationship between the electric current and the applied voltage. Current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to the applied voltage, provided all physical condition and temperature remains constant. So what Ohm's law is actually telling us, if we are applying any voltage to any conductor, okay, in that case current flowing through that conductor is directly proportional to the applied voltage. But the condition for this law is all the physical conditions and the temperature should remain constant. So if you want to calculate the current flowing through any conductor, and V is the applied voltage across that conductor, and the resistance and all the physical conditions are constant for that conductor, in that case we can say like current flowing through that conductor will be directly proportional to the applied voltage. Mathematically we can show it like I is directly proportional to the V, and also we can say I is equals to V into R, where R is the resistance of that conductor, which is the constant. So we can give the formula of current based on the above formula. So I will be V upon R. Ampere is the unit of the current, and V is equals to I into R. Volt is the unit of the voltage. Similarly, R will be given by V upon I, and unit of the resistance will be ohm. So three terms we have used in the above formula. Those are V is equals to voltage across conductor given by volt, I is the current through a conductor given by ampere, and third term is the resistance. Resistance is the constant as I already explained above. So the resistance of the conductor will be given in the ohm. So we will calculate all the above three terms when any two terms are given. So for that we have drawn a simple circuit in which V is the 10 voltage, I is the 10 ampere, and the resistance is the 1 ohm. So first we will calculate the R. Suppose V is the 10 voltage given and I is the 10 ampere. In that case resistance will be V upon I. So 10 upon 10 will become 1, and its unit will be ohm. Ohm is the unit of the resistance. Similarly, if current is 10 ampere and R is 1 ohm, in that case V will be I into R. So 10 into 1 will be 10 voltage. And finally, if voltage is 10 volt and R is the 1 ohm, in that case I will be equal to V upon R. V is the 10 volt and R is the 1 ohm. So in that case the current flowing through the conductor will be 10 ampere. So as the Ohm law states that I will be directly proportional to applied voltage, and the condition will be resistance should remains constant, and all the physical parameters, so those parameters should also remains constant. I hope you have understood these points. So thank you for watching my video, and if you need any explanation on any topic, especially of the diploma students or polytechnic students from the electrical or electronics branch, then please let me know. I will surely try to upload video on that topic. Also along with that I will try to give notes on that topic. Thank you everyone.